Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. Coming to you on my floor. I haven't mentioned a lot, but I did a couple of times in the video that I have some back pain. Yes, S1, SI joint swollen. I gotta do some physical therapy exercises, so I do that on the floor. But I thought I would do a What's in My Bag series and then show you what I got done. I think I bought the supplies for this like a couple months ago, thinking, oh, yeah, I know what I want to do. I got the fleece on sale at Joann's, and I believe it was 70% off at the time. I got the yarn at Michael's. It's the loops and thread yarn, basic yarn. So, but I got it done. I mean, not perfect, but I finally had the right tool for the job to put the holes in it. You know, the rotary one tool. So I got that done. Single crochet and just a scallop edge. The only thing, because I got like an end, you know, on their clearance, you know, it was like their ends or both ends or something. So it looks like the long. Okay, this is the right way. Like the long way shows the unicorns like this. You know, this is the design, but this is like it's the wrong, like it's going the wrong way. It's the wrong way, but anyway, I have an aunt into unicorns. I think she will still enjoy this. It did turn out cute. So this might be only my second project like this. I'd like to do more like this probably in the coming year. It was kind of fun. But anyway, I gotta get this mailed off so she can get it by Christmas. Probably should wash it first. I thought I'd show that. And very short, what's in my bag. And there's not much in here. I took this with me to church today. So anyway, the bag is one of my handmade bags. I think it came out of one of the things we're making Thursdays. Bags was one of the themes months, and I think I made this for that theme. If I remember, this is based off a Jada and Stitches pattern. I think it was like supposed to be a small bag, and I think using a thicker yarn, I think we made it bigger. So I do like how this turned out. So anyway, there's not much in my bag. There's just two things. Okay, it's got my address from it, but you know, a letter. I was at the church, so got a letter. They handed out these at the church today to all of its members. I think obviously they were talking about, you know, the financial, you know, a push to the end of the year, financial drive, that kind of thing. So that was that. And then I think the only thing I got in here is a journal and a pen. So usually when I go to church, I have a hard time focusing on the sermon. So I thought if I took notes, I don't know, during the service, might help me kind of engage more in the message if I wrote it down. And it could be helpful, because usually if I had not wrote stuff down, I might not have remembered what was said. And usually, and I think if I keep like now, I think this is the first entry in there, so this could be, you know, helpful to have an actual diary of sermons that, you know, help you get a little closer in your faith. So, but I think I like I think I bought this at Michael's a couple years ago, and it says, well, it does say imagination is more important than knowledge. And I think I like the book, and I like the colors and the design. But anyway, let me know in the comments if you do that too, if you take notes during a sermon at church service to help engage and help remember. So anyway, yeah, not much. because and earlier I did have a wallet in here because I started bringing my purse. I took this bag and grabbed a notebook. So anyway, I am going back to why I'm on the floor. Yeah, I'm going to physical therapy for my back and hoping it would help. I know it's been over a month now and it's just been bothering me. So hopefully, no, I just started physical therapy and hopefully that will help. So anyway, it was a short video. That's all I have. So if you did like this short video, please get a like. I want to see more content like this. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.